Hey y'all, this is Mo Abdalla, founder and CEO of Good Faith Energy. Today we're at DCEO Magazine's Energy Awards for 2024, where I've been nominated as a leader in excellence for renewables and sustainability. The one thing I really wanted to share on today's very quick highlight reel video is there's no way I'd be here without my incredible team. Everybody from our marketing, sales, project management, engineering, field operations, service, HR, IT, accounting, all the above. We have the absolute best vertically integrated solar company in America, arguably the highest rated solar company in existence, and it's truly because we have the most integrity, we have incredible core values, we have a vision that was founded on climate action and social impact, and here we are almost 11 years after our founding, getting recognized by the wider public for the incredible work that we've done both in this community and surrounding communities. And one thing that makes me super proud is the net impact that Good Faith Energy has had on the local economy, because it's not just the salaries we pay our employees, it's about the tutoring lessons and the swimming classes and the soccer practices and all of the other things that happen with those salaries and with those wages. So join me today as we sit down, learn from other leaders in the energy industry, and see if we win this award. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in to tonight's DCEO Energy Awards for 2024. Unfortunately, I did not win, but I'm still number one in all of you viewers' hearts. Tune in as we continue this incredible journey of transforming our energy ecosystem one home at a time with smart, sustainable, renewable energy technology. We're coming up on 600 plus 5-star reviews online. This wouldn't be possible without each and every single one of our incredible stakeholders tuning in, learning a thing or two, passing on that knowledge to other people. Thank you so much for everyone's support throughout this incredible journey. I may not have won the DCEO Excellence in Energy and Sustainability this year, but as you all know, Good Faith Energy is still the #1 solar company, the #1 distributed generation company in the globe. You guys know that this life is a win, this company is a win, y'all's support is a win, and everything that this team has done to build Good Faith Energy from the ground up is nothing short of a miracle. I really hope you guys enjoyed following tonight's event. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps us make sure that we can continue to create this incredible content for you guys. If you want to make fun of me in the comment section below, feel free to do that as well. Until next time, adios, peace out, and salamu alaikum.